We welcome you to the third video of a series of 7 videos on the attributes of a successful person. Today's topic is financial wisdom. Financial wisdom, money mindset, abundance thinking. Successful people view wealth as an expandable resource rather than a fixed quantity. They focus on creating value and solving problems rather than competing for limited resources. This abundant perspective liberates them from scarcity-driven decisions. Delayed gratification. They willingly sacrifice immediate pleasures for greater future rewards. Their discipline in controlling impulse spending creates surplus capital for investments. This patient approach compounds their financial growth over time. Value orientation. Successful individuals assess purchases based on long-term value rather than short-term satisfaction. They invest in quality items that appreciate or provide sustained utility. This value-centered approach optimizes their spending for genuine life enhancement. Financial habits. Budget mastery. They maintain clear visibility of their income, expenses, and financial goals. Their budgeting system provides structure without feeling restrictive or burdensome. This financial clarity eliminates waste and aligns spending with priorities. Multiple income streams. Successful people develop diverse sources of revenue beyond their primary occupation. These additional channels might include investments, side businesses, or passive income ventures. This income diversification creates stability and accelerates wealth building. Consistent investing. They habitually allocate portions of their income toward assets that appreciate over time. Their investment strategy typically balances growth potential with appropriate risk management. This disciplined approach harnesses the power of compound growth. Wealth psychology. Risk intelligence. They carefully assess opportunities, weighing potential rewards against possible losses. Their calculated risk-taking is informed by research rather than emotion or impulse. This balanced approach allows them to pursue significant upside while protecting their downside. Money confidence. Successful individuals develop comfort in discussing, negotiating, and making decisions about finances. They view money as a neutral tool rather than a taboo subject or measure of worth. This healthy relationship with money prevents both avoidance and obsession. Generosity practice. They share their resources with others through structured giving and spontaneous generosity. Their philanthropy is guided by causes that align with their values and vision. This giving orientation creates fulfillment and perspective that wealth alone cannot provide. Thank you for watching. Please look for Basheer Juma on YouTube for further videos in English and Urdu. Please hold in-house training programs on this and the related topics. If this content is beneficial, kindly subscribe to the channel.